Welcome to Ease into Crypto, the place where we simplify the world of cryptocurrency, making it easy for beginners to stay ahead of the curve. If you're looking to dive into the crypto space in 2025, you're in the right place. The world of crypto is constantly evolving, and for newcomers, it can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, today we're breaking down the top 5 crypto trends for beginners that you absolutely can't miss this year. As cryptocurrency becomes more mainstream, new trends are emerging that could change the way we think about digital finance. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your knowledge, these trends are crucial to understand in order to stay ahead. Let's get into it. 1. The rise of decentralized finance, DeFi. Over the past few years, decentralized finance, or DeFi, has been a game changer in the cryptocurrency space, and it's only getting bigger. So what exactly is DeFi? At its core, DeFi is an ecosystem of financial products and services that operates without traditional banks or intermediaries. It allows anyone with an internet connection to access lending, borrowing, trading, and earning interest on their assets using blockchain technology. The big draw of DeFi is that it's decentralized, which means no central authority controls it. This opens up financial services to millions of people around the world who may not have access to traditional banking systems. For example, you can lend your crypto assets to others and earn interest, or borrow funds using your crypto as collateral, all while maintaining control of your digital assets. Why you can't miss this trend in 2025. As DeFi platforms continue to grow, we'll see more innovation in crypto banking, including services like yield farming, staking, and synthetic assets. If you're just getting started, now is the perfect time to dive into DeFi. Platforms like Aave, Compound, and Uniswap have seen massive growth in 2024, and they're just getting started. Keep your eyes on DeFi as it becomes a key player in the next phase of crypto. 2. Nonfungible Tokens, NFTs. Evolving beyond art, nonfungible tokens, NFTs, took the world by storm in 2021, mostly in the form of digital art. But in 2025, NFTs are set to evolve beyond just art and collectibles. We're now seeing NFTs being used in gaming, real estate, digital identity, and even financial products. NFTs are unique digital assets verified on the blockchain, and their potential goes far beyond just being digital art pieces. Gaming is one of the fastest growing areas for NFTs, where in-game items, characters, and land can be tokenized, traded, or sold. Moreover, NFTs are starting to be used for things like tickets for events, digital ownership of assets, and even intellectual property rights. For example, in 2025, NFTs could represent ownership of real-world assets like real estate or even music royalties, allowing you to own a portion of a song's revenue. Why you can't miss this trend in 2025? NFTs are still in their early stages, but they are poised for massive growth. As more companies and creators explore new ways to use NFTs, there's going to be a huge opportunity for beginners to get involved. Start paying attention to how NFTs are being used outside of the art world, as they could unlock new opportunities in digital ownership, investments, and more. 3. Layer-2. Scaling solutions for Ethereum. Ethereum has long been the go-to blockchain for decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. However, Ethereum has faced challenges when it comes to scalability, meaning the network often struggles with high transaction fees and slow processing times during times of high demand. This is where Layer-2 scaling solutions come in. Layer-2 solutions are technologies built on top of the Ethereum blockchain to improve its scalability, making it faster, cheaper, and more efficient to use. Some of the top Layer-2 solutions like Optimism and Arbitrum are already making Ethereum transactions cheaper and faster by using a combination of technologies like rollups and sidechains. These solutions allow Ethereum dApps to scale while still benefiting from Ethereum's security and decentralization. Why you can't miss this trend in 2025. Layer-2 solutions are key to unlocking Ethereum's full potential in 2025. These improvements will allow Ethereum to handle a larger number of transactions while keeping costs low, which is vital for the future of decentralized finance, DeFi, and other blockchain applications. For anyone looking to get into Ethereum-based projects, understanding Layer-2 is essential, as these solutions will power the next wave of blockchain applications. 4. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are decentralized cryptocurrencies, central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are backed and controlled by governments. In 2025, CBDCs will likely become a major trend as countries around the world explore the idea of creating their own digital currencies. Some countries, like China with its digital yuan, are already leading the charge in implementing their own CBDCs. A CBDC is essentially a digital version of a country's fiat currency that is issued and controlled by its central bank. Unlike decentralized cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, CBDCs are fully regulated and centralized. However, they could make digital payments more efficient, secure, and accessible to people around the world. Why you can't miss this trend in 2025? CBDCs are likely to become a major part of the global financial system in the near future, and understanding them is crucial for anyone interested in the evolving landscape of digital currency. While they aren't cryptocurrencies in the traditional sense, they are still built on blockchain technology and have the potential to reshape how we think about money and payments. Pay attention to how governments around the world roll out their CBDCs, as this could have a significant impact on the overall crypto market. The integration of crypto into traditional finance. In 2025, the line between traditional finance and cryptocurrency is becoming blurrier by the day. Major financial institutions like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and Citigroup have already started integrating crypto into their platforms, providing their clients with new ways to buy, sell, and hold digital assets. Additionally, crypto is also becoming more integrated with traditional financial products like ETFs and index funds, giving regular investors easier access to cryptocurrency exposure. With the rise of crypto-friendly payment systems like PayPal and Visa, we're seeing greater adoption of crypto in day-to-day transactions, making it easier for people to buy goods and services using their digital currencies. Why you can't miss this trend in 2025? For beginners, the integration of crypto into traditional finance represents a massive opportunity. As crypto becomes more accessible through traditional financial channels, we could see an influx of new users and institutional investors into the crypto space. If you're just starting out, understanding how crypto fits into the larger financial system will be crucial for positioning yourself in the future. There you have it, the top 5 crypto trends you absolutely can't miss in 2025. These trends are shaping the future of the crypto world, and staying informed about them will help you navigate this exciting space. Let us know in the comments which trend excites you the most and why. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from Ease into Crypto. That wraps up today's video on the top 5 crypto trends for beginners you can't miss in 2025. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for more crypto insights and updates. And remember, whether you're just starting your journey or looking to expand your knowledge, Ease into Crypto is here to help you every step of the way. The content on Ease into Crypto is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making investment decisions. Stay curious, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next one.